good evening. My son, Lemincho Alfonso, is not here. Just listen po, the retired man. This is the latest little groceries from Timbaro Plaza in TUC for a price. There's some vegetables, a little cherry tomato, and then this lettuce, iceberg lettuce, with some chicken, potato, and bread, okay, and some eggs, okay. It's little, only less than $20. Okay, okay, enjoy folks at itong Blackford, the roof of Singapore, and like this little groceries from NTUC. No, NTUC changed the bag into this kind of color, which is nice, okay. Love it. Okay, enjoy folks. Itong Blackford, the roof of Singapore, April 23, 2026. Enjoy. There's Lizzie po. The retirement na. Okay. We went to Timbaro Day. Deposit a little, I know. I give them a little so para okay naman, di ba? Okay, enjoy. Okay. Yeah, the one, on last 21st, you know. Yeah, I still have remaining. I give it to my hubby. Kasi po yun. He just deposited just now, okay? Enjoy folks at itong Blackford, the world of Singapore. With this little groceries. Enjoy!